Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Thelady Saga. If you guys don't know me, I am Megha. I hope you all are doing great. Guys, before we start this video, I request you all to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for more such notifications, and if you like the video, do press the like button. So guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how you can read more books in 2022. As you all know that अभी 2022 just start हुआ है in the month of Jan, and I made a commitment to myself that I am going to increase my reading speed, and I thought why not to share with you that how you can also read more books in 2022. So reading, it's considered to be the one of the most high leverage activity on planet Earth. You can get maximum amount of return with minimum amount of time and money invested in it. Trust me guys, it is the best thing you can do in 2022. In this video, I am going to show how you can read more books in 2022. So reading की habit develop करने के लिए you need to take little baby steps. एक secret tip which I am going to tell you is that reading 15 minutes every single day, it's for the entire year. It's much better than reading 2 to 3 hours a day for one day and then forgetting what you actually read. What I mean to say कि एक दिन अगर तुमने 2-3 घंटे के लिए बुक पढ़ी और उसके बाद महीना बुक को हाथ नहीं लगाया, एंड अगर तुम उसकी जगह पे हर दिन सिर्फ 15 मिनट बुक को पढ़ रहे हो, then it's going to create a huge impact because you are actually going to retain what you have actually read in the book. For example, initially you can start reading 1 page or 2 page a day, then उसे increase कर दो till 3 pages, then giving half an hour a day. इस तरह से you will able to realize that you can read more books at the end of the year, and this will create a massive impact. Starting with this reading habit might seem hard to you, but as you develop this habit by reading 1 page or 2 page, you will really enjoy it. The second tip which I can give you is that read early. Become early readers. At the starting of the day, when you get up in the morning, your mind is decluttered and it's fresh. You can focus on any particular task. So when you read a book in the morning, as you get up, you are able to focus more with a lot more willpower, and for days on and on you will be able to continue reading more books. Even when I get up in the morning, the very first thing which I do is that I read a book or do a course which can be in the form of audiobooks, and it helps me to increase my knowledge. Then the third tip which I can give you is that the suspense hangover. The basic theme of this is when you came across a very interesting part of a book, which can be a fight, a suspense to know what will happen next, stop right there. Do not read further. This is going to create a suspense in your mind to know what will happen next, and the very next day you will definitely wanting to read a book. This is what happens in the TV serials or series which gets it tied till the end. This cliff hangover will help you to read entire book because it will create a curiosity in your mind. Reason is very simple. Your mind is likely to remember the things which you left in between. So the very next day you are going to come back again and start reading from where you left. This will help you to read more and more books. The fourth tip which I can give you is that find a trigger and a routine. What I mean by this is that find a place where you can read a book. It can be a peaceful and serene place. It may be a bench in the garden, a place in your house, or a park where you can read a book. This will create a buzz in your mind that at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. you have to sit at your place and read a book. For example, why I am able to make more and more YouTube videos, because I have the entire YouTube video setup created here. I have this couch, this background behind me, and I have a tripod in front of me and a script written in front of me, which helps me to create more and more videos in a week. So this is the reason for my productivity, my proficiency, and my consistency. Just keep a book at your place, and which reminds you to read a book every single day. The fifth tip, which is very important, that is the rewards. Who doesn't like rewards? Read books which can have immediate application in your life, which can be rewarding for you. For example, if you're keen to become a pro in YouTube, read books related to Google Analytics, video editing. If you want to become financially independent, read books related to wealth management, corporate finance. and in this way you can actually upgrade your skills, and it will help you to find something better which you actually want. The sixth tip which I would like to give you is that, and which is my personal favorite, that is read only what you love. I mean to say is that कि अगर suppose तुमने reading की habit start की है and you start with something boring and something you do not like, how will you inculcate this habit? So always start with reading what you like. Read books which fascinates you and the things which you like. This will inculcate the habit of reading books, and then you can explain the other genres as well. For example, if you like creating videos on YouTube, then read books relating to YouTube, the people who are pro in YouTube, how they started with YouTube analytics, algorithm. Read related to that. And if instead of that you start reading a fiction book, science fiction book, you will really find boring, and within a couple of weeks you will stop reading. So I would suggest you read what you like. So guys, that's all about the video. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more such notifications. Till then, bye bye, take care.